Hello students, welcome back again to our Science 1 in Action. This is teacher Glenn. Now today, let's continue to learn about the sound. Are you ready? Okay. Now students, today we are going to learn about the movements of sound. Do you know how the sound moves? Now try to take a look to this picture, students, and try to observe and learn. Now, what did you observe? Yes, very good. There are two people inside the box, right? And you can see that have many lines and of arrows inside the box also, closing to each other. The lines that you can see, it signifies the movements of sound. In short, the sound moves in all directions. Now here is another example of sound movements. In these pictures, we can see that the sound travel going to the wall. What the boy's doing? The boy doing of clapping his hands, and then the sound travel going to the wall, and the sound bounce or move back going to the boy because it's a wall and the sound cannot go out. So the sound goes back to the ears of the boy. That's why the boys hear his clapping from his hand. Now, just like this picture, not only in one direction that the sound travel, but the sound travel going anywhere from any part of the room or any hard object of the room, and then it will travel going back and forth until it reaches to the ear of the person or the boy. It means that sound moves back and forth in any direction until it reaches to the ears of the people or a person or a receiver. So, students, let us remember that sound moves anywhere or moves in all any direction of a certain place and hits any portion of the objects or something that lead the sound moves back and forth or bounces like a ball and will hear to our ears. So you should always remember that. Now, today I will give you an activity that you are going to do. Now, first activity one is try to make any sound in your room like clapping your hands or speak loudly. Then write down on your notebook of all the things that you observed during the activity. And the second activity, did you get it? Okay, very good. Now, okay. For your activity two, you will answer the following questions below. Number one, did you hear sound in activity one? Number two, what sound did you hear? And number three, what did you learn from this lesson today? Okay, very good. So you will answer that one and write it in your notebook so that teacher Glenn will check that one later. So that's all for today. Hope that you have learned many things about sound today. So, and you will enjoy watching and learning of this video. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.